Machiegni kendo nyakurom jong wadhi mbele gi miwech manyien chendo ni mar ratil. Ramogi 48 omaki e kaunti ya Mombasa e kinde mane obila timo pedha ne jogo mauso shisha e kuonde tongona mantiere Nyali e kaunti na. Pedha no tagi bede migepe mopogore kendo notele gi duol makedo gi yedhe mamero ji e thurkae mano NACADA. Kama ne gilimo e kuonde buora kama oting'o kuonde dak moko kuonde timo handa shisha mohewo 47. Kama gika ywayo shisha maromo 700 nomaki gi apisa mane timo pedha makamano.
Mimi nimeandikwa kazi ya hii shisha. Mtu akitaka shisha na mtengezea na tumia tu zile flavors za kawaida zenye zinatumika.
We'll follow up with the county to understand the circumstances under which this establishment was licensed. If indeed the license that we were shown is authentic, and like I said, it has expired. I'd like to urge proprietors that the law is very clear. If you have an establishment, you need to operate your enterprise within the law. Shisha is banned. And as a multi-agency led by NACADA, we will not relent in our effort to ensure that the law is fully complied with. In fact, we will up our efforts to ensure that alcohol and drug abuse is diminished to the extent that it's no longer a threat to our society.
Nen mor ne jogo